Hello everyone. So how are you doing? So today I am here, not taking any class, just giving some strategy for upcoming examination GATE. Okay, GATE 2023. Let's see how we have to crack this exam. Okay. For our chemistry paper, the examination date is 5th. Correct? 5th Feb, and it is on Sunday. Okay, for chemistry. So today I am going to discuss the strategy how to follow, like from today onwards till examination day. Okay, how everything will work, so it will be go smoothly based on my experience. I am telling you today, so that like the thing is we can divide it in four different section, right? Like section A, section B, section C, and section D. So what is all this section? This is the strategy. Okay, this is the plan. It's included in the plan, like how we are going to deal with this upcoming GATE examination. So we will succeed with the good marks. Okay, and whatever your dream you can fulfillment. Okay, so I have written down some of the points, like this I have fragmented. So part A, we can say it's from today, right? From today till 3rd February. This era will work from today till 3rd Feb. Okay, till 3rd Feb. From today to 3rd Feb is section A. So what all we have to do it, and what all we have to avoid it, everything it is discussed in till 3rd February. And believe me, if you are following this strategy, अगर आप इस strategy को follow करते हैं तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट होगा. ऐसा तो हम नहीं कह सकते हैं कि आपने रिवीजन नहीं किया है और आपको मतलब इजीली स्कोर मिल जाएगा इससे. I'm not going to talk any concepts or anything here, but the thing, like in this minimum time, how to improve your subjects and how to get to solve many questions in the upcoming examination. Correct? So from today to 3rd February, first, don't solve any new questions. Okay, because already you have solved many questions. Correct? So now it's time to sit back and relax and see all those questions, like all those concepts and questions which already you have solved. Correct? No new question. Don't try to solve any new questions in these days till 3rd February. Okay, don't try to solve any new questions. Revise the formula sheet. I hope you have the formula sheet. Correct? If you don't have any formula sheet, just comment it. Correct? I'll provide you the formula sheet for GATE examination. Correct? I'll prepare and I will provide you the GATE formula sheet. If you don't have, if you have, it is well and good. Do practice your formula sheet, because GATE examination, one thing is very much sure, they will easily target chemical kinetics and thermodynamics. Correct? Their favorite topics is chemical kinetics and thermodynamics in physical chemistry, I'm telling you. Okay, and then spend time with periodic table. It should have in your wall, right? Periodic table. You see the D blocks elements. You see all, like if this metal is in +2 state, what will be the unpaired number of unpaired electron? If this metal is in +3 state, what will be the nature of this? Okay, everything you just see based on the periodic table. See the basic character is decreasing on or increasing, electronegativity is increasing or decreasing. Okay, this type of question they will ask. They'll give some of oxides and they'll ask you that arrange this in the basic based on basicity or based on acidity. Correct? Likewise, and one more thing, if you are vegetarian, it is well and good. But if you are non-vegetarian eater, please stop till 3rd February. And non-vegetarian, you have to stop till your examination day. Correct? Because it will feel you uneasy. Correct? So आप नॉन वेजिटेरियन हैं तो आप उसको नहीं खाएंगे अभी कुछ दिन, क्योंकि वो आपको अनईजी फील कराएगा. वो डाइजेशन में ज़्यादा आपका बॉडी का एनर्जी को ले लेता है उसको डाइजेशन के लिए. ठीक है? देन स्पाइसी फूड है. लेट नाइट स्टडी नहीं करेंगे अभी आप, है ना? अभी आप लेट नाइट स्टडी नहीं करेंगे. स्टार्ट योर डे from early morning, like 4 a.m. Okay, 4 a.m. Okay, and do first thing meditation. Correct? Try to do meditation, some yoga practices. Correct? And then don't argument with anyone. Okay, like always agree, like you, if you are a brother and sister, You will argue for small things. So these days, please don't argument anything with your friends, with your parents, with your um, uh, like cousins, okay, brother or sisters. Be calm, okay, listen whatever they are saying and just let it go, okay, don't discuss anything else. Then first of all, avoid using WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, correct? Use mobile because you need for classes, or maybe many of you are already taken coaching classes, right? Online coaching classes, or maybe you are a uh, YouTube, that is exam mappings are going on in YouTube, those you are watching, so you can't avoid that. But still, whatever you are watching, you watch it in daytime, okay, don't watch it in night time, correct? Otherwise, after watching, you might be seeing some of the songs or videos, it will disrupt you, right? It will distract you, correct? So thing is, you will say that okay, 5 minutes I'll watch it, but this 5 minutes will convert it to the 5 hours, right? Because you will come to know, okay, and one more song I'll see, one more song I'll see, like that it will go. Okay, so Facebook, WhatsApp, and unnecessary YouTube videos, avoid it completely, correct? And then whichever coaching channel you like, watch only that YouTube channel, correct? Don't try, like if you want to see boron chemistry, you are seeing my channel also, you are seeing some other channel also, you are seeing your own coaching institute channel. Don't see like that. Whichever you are following till now, okay, follow that channel itself, because only one concept, like every teacher is having their own style to teach, correct? So whichever you are following, please try to follow that coaching itself, because now it's not a time to 2 3 places you are just seeing, and then you are just making decision that which one is best. You no need to see which one is best, you have to see whether you have understood those concepts or not, correct? That is the main thing, correct? Then uh, next is part B. Part B is before exam day, when the 4th Feb. ओके, 4th Feb जो है वो हमारा पार्ट बी में आता है, जो हमने 4 सेक्शन में बांटा है। तो सेक्शन ए कंप्लीट हो गया हमारा, सेक्शन बी हमारा 4th Feb के लिए है ना? मॉर्निंग 4 AM में फिर आप उठेंगे, है ना? स्टार्ट करेंगे मेडिटेशन से, जैसा कहा, और खाना पीना एकदम लाइटली लेंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा ये नहीं लेंगे, स्पाइसी नहीं, ओके? देन दिस डे 4th February, completely switch off your mobile phone or make it in flight mode. Don't see towards the mobile, okay? Don't use mobile, whether it's your channel or your coaching, don't see anything, okay? Whatever notes you have prepared, go through with that, correct? मोबाइल की तरफ देखना ही नहीं है किसी भी हाल में, करेक्ट? ठीक है, किसी को कॉल करना है तो भाई का, मम्मी के, पापा का फोन का यूज करके कॉल करना है, और दोस्तों से अननेसेसरी डिस्कस नहीं करना है कि तुमने क्या पढ़ा, हमने क्या पढ़ा, है ना? ये सब भी डिस्कस नहीं करना है, क्योंकि आप पढ़ चुके हैं इनफ। अब आपको रिलैक्स करने के टाइम है, ताकि जो जो आपने पढ़ा है, दैट विल बी गो एंड सिट your mind map, right? Because we have in mind different places, so it will go and it will sit there, okay? So then during examination, when you will, after seeing that questions, you will imagine that what could be the answer, that time it will get back from there. If you are filling up unnecessary things day before exam, what will happen? Those things will only come to your mind, correct? So avoid those things. Then what else is there? Completely relax, okay? Don't take any new concepts. Whatever concepts are there, you just revise those things, correct? And go to bed at 9 PM, okay? It should not be beyond 9 o'clock you are going, because next day you have to go for your examination, correct? So, and next day, again, like this will be part C. Now I am discussing part C. It will be on 5th Feb, correct? So 5th Feb, you have examination. So get up in the morning, 4 AM, right? As I told, 4 AM you have to get up, do some yoga practices, meditation, that will help you, that will heal your mind, okay? Whatever you have studied, whatever you have studied in like entire year, that will be you have to focus in examination, right? So for that, yoga practice is very much required, meditation is very much required. And now today's yoga and after yoga and meditation, one like good thing is that you have to affirmation, you know, right? You have to affirm yourself, right? I am I am going to appear for the GATE examination. You have to speak aloud. I am going to appear for a GATE examination and I completed my syllabus, and whatever I am going to write, based on that, I'll get this score and I'll qualify the GATE examination. Like that affirmation you have to speak in morning, correct? After getting up. That exam day. I'm talking about exam day. So this affirmation you have to repeat it. Okay, I have completed my syllabus and I'm going for examination. I will complete those questions and then I'll get a good score, right? Like this you have to say it. And then in that exam day, this affirmation. Next, water bottle. Take water bottle, sufficient water, some biscuits or something. You take it. Okay. Take light food. Don't take heavy food. Otherwise, you'll go and sleep. Correct. Don't do like that because your entire years, like whatever, जो भी आपने मेहनत किया या कुछ भी किया वो आपका क्या हो जाएगा, सारा वेनिस हो जाएगा, नहीं तो है ना, सो जाएंगे तो. Now reach the examination center 40 to 45 minutes before, and then again don't see that people are reading books, okay? Because within those 40 minutes, what you can complete it? Nothing, right? So avoid all this thing. See if any plant, if any tree are there, go and sit there in that tree. Look into the leaves, look into the sky. Okay, look, those birds will be there. You just look those things. Don't look towards the students, parents. Okay, don't see all those things. Okay, just see the nature. And then when you are going towards the, like your admit card, okay, Aadhaar card, okay, pen, water bottle, everything, you just keep before the examination day in one bag and take that bag to the examination, okay? And then you take out everything, admit card, printed admit card, and then Aadhaar card. I think they need one photographs also. Take this photograph and then go to the center, correct? Okay, now the section D. What is the section D? This is during examination. Inside the examination hall, right? During examination. First of all, you just check your system whether it is working or not. If it is on, in display your name, roll number will be there, correct? If everything is correct, then only you sit calmly. Otherwise, if it is not working, okay, don't be panic. Just raise your hand. The people, NTA people will come around you and they'll ask you what is the problem. Then you just say that these are the things which is not working out. They will replace it, okay? Even in during examination also, like you are writing exam, okay, after 1 hour क्या हुआ कि आपका सिस्टम बंद हो गया है ना, तो उसमें भी पैनिक होने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये सब चीज़ होते रहता है. वो आएंगे, आपको दूसरे सिस्टम में लॉगिन दे देंगे. After login, you will see that wherever you have completed, like before 1 hour before, wherever you have completed, suppose question number 35 you were doing, same thing you will be getting in new login. That question number 35 you will start. Okay, it is not like that again from starting, like question number 1 you are starting. No, it's not like that. Okay, it will be given you like this is server. Okay, whatever question and answer you are submitting, it is on server, correct? So whether system is not working, okay, whether your system getting switched off, but still whatever examination you are there, it will be remains, correct? So they will give you another system, you just log in it and then continue your examination from there itself, correct? So this is the during examination. And then in examination, now the time like exam started, correct? First go for inorganic questions. Though you know very well organic, but still you go for inorganic questions first, because organic it will vanish, right? All the 4 options you will see that these are similar, and if in first question only you will get confused, then for remaining question it will be very much difficult, because you will starting losing your confidence, right? So better to start with inorganic. And inorganic also, like whichever question is easy, start with that. So one by one, as the question will getting solved, your confidence level will boost up, because already you have studied the syllabus, right? Then next, after inorganic, you go for physical, okay? After physical, you go for organic, correct? In starting, like organic is like, it will be like lollipop kind, ice cream or lollipop kind of thing, right? It will attract you always, but don't attracted by organic chemistry, okay? Just go for inorganic, solve few questions, then physical, solve few questions, and then you go for organic, okay? Don't start with organic. Okay, it is my personal experience. I'm saying you don't start with organic, correct? Though you are good at organic, but don't start it with organic. So everything is done. Now this 3 hours time is yours. Do well. Okay. You have to say in examination hall also, like it will be in your inner voice that I completed my syllabus, I know this paper and I am solving this and I can solve better way. Okay, like that you repeat it in your inner voice and then start your examination. All the best.